I'm getting the stage ready for Wiggle Wham.
Wiggle what now?
I would deduce it has something to do with wiggling.
Indeed it does. Wiggle Wham is an oolerific contest where everyone shows up their latest dance moves while making a funny face.
Alva, this contest would be perfect for your dad.
It sure would.
Would you like to be judges along with me?
Oh, that sounds like fun.
I, for one, would be honored.
Thanks, you two. The best thing is, even though there's a winner, everyone gets a prize just for taking part and having fun. Here are two contestants now. The first task for us judges is to make sure a contestant has both a wiggle and makes a funny face.
We're here to wiggle.
And now Wiggles are going to win.
Well, according to Mayor Garth, it's all about having fun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That was something else.
Oh, what? Two of them?
Huh? Mo, it's a dance. Mayor Garth, they're dancing for you.
Oh.
Ooly hi!
Hi, Uli Pom, Uli Bean.
Woo!
Come on, Mo, dance with us.
I don't dance, Alva. Besides, doesn't the mayor...
You can do it. Just wiggle and shake. Do whatever feels good.
I really shouldn't. Remember, the mayor has... Woohoo! As I was saying, Alva...
They've all forgotten about Mayor Garth's job, except for that Mo.
Alva, about the mayor?
Oh, yes, the mayor's important job.
It needs to be done today.
He'll be so cross with himself if he doesn't do it. Whatever it is.
You're right.
We need to clear out those blobbos. Let's do this together.
Good thinking, Alva.
Mo is a big spoil sport.
Move along, blobbos. Move along. Blop, blip, blip, blip.
This way.
Huh?
Oh.
Lucky you don't dance, Mo. You never get distracted.
Maybe not by blobbos, but perhaps by something else. Yes!
Now, Mo, no more distractions.
A 1, a 0. A 1, a 0. A 1, a 0.
Mo, are you dancing?
Oh, I got distracted while helping Mayor Garth not be distracted.
We're all getting distracted, Mo. And look, now the blobbos are back.
Woo!
So many blobbos and clickies dancing at once. It's like they're trying to distract Mayor Garth.
The blobbos told me they and the clickies don't dance unless they're shown how. That means someone
Is teaching them on purpose. If we follow the dance, we'll find our mystery dance teacher. You're copying that blobbo, who's copying that one, and then you're copying that clicky, who's copying... Huh?
Then a wiggle. Off you go.
So you've been behind all this.
I've been distracting Mayor Garth all day. He won't get his job done.
Poor Mayor Garth.
Oh,
He'll be so disappointed with himself.
Hobo Bluff, you missed the best Snork Fest ever.
Snarkfest! Oh, I forgot.
I got Putrid McScowl's autograph. And look, I won the grand prize. Called them all a wagon full of rotten old bootlecrass.
But that was my insult.
Snooze, you lose.
I can't believe I missed it. I got distracted distracting the mayor.
You what? You can distract them any old day. This was not fast.
Stop! Stop being right. At least give me some of those trolley pops. Give me! It's mine! Give me it now!
Now that Humble Bluff is, well, a little distracted, let's get your job done.
Good idea. Goodbye.
No more distractions. Now, tell me all about it.
Today is sock drawer sorting day. I've got to sort all these socks in my ceremonial sock drawers.
Oh, Mayor Garth, they're all yellow.
Yes.
And all the same type.
Uh-huh.
Then, do you need to sort them?
Well, that, Alva, is why I'm the mayor. These socks are marigold yellow. These ones are sunshine yellow. Flaxen yellow here, lemon yellow. Each Gizmo event has its own pair of socks. The Oolies count on me to wear the right socks. They love socks.
Eva Z's my favorite. She's got a new song out. I love it.
Nice tune, Alv.
I'm her #1 fan. I know everything about her.
Really?
Yeah, I even know how to get in touch with her. Like my friends already have. Eva Z even messaged them back.
Pause the song, Mo. I doubt that, sis.
But she did.
Yeah, well, I bet it's just some faker. That happens a lot.
Really?
Just because a person says they're EFZ online doesn't mean they really are. Hold on.
I wonder if this kind of thing has ever happened in Gizmo. Mo, go, Gizmo! Pom, nice tune.
Thanks, Alva. This is Sneezy's biggest hit on Oolify. I'm his #1 fan. He wears a gizmelon over his head so that no one knows what he looks like. He's also super kind and generous to all his fans. And he's coming to Gizmo for his final ever show this evening. I'd love to meet him and get a selfie. Ooh, and his autograph.
Selfies, autographs, that can be arranged. Hello, Alva.
Hi, Mayor Garth. What's that?
It's Sneezy's favorite, bumbleberry cake. But it's also the trolls' favorite. They can smell bumbleberries a mile away. So I'd best get it to the town hall in really quick time. I'm going to enjoy a slice with Sneezy before his show this evening.
Guys, I've just remembered something I've got to get ready for. See you all later.
Oh.
Wow, it's Sneezy. May I have a selfie too, please?
Of course! That'll be 2 Gizbits.
2 Gizbits? Oh.
Why have you got to pay for it? Didn't you say he was generous to his fans?
Well, yes, but I really want one.
How did you get here from the park so quickly?
The park? Do you want my autograph or not?
Yes, please.
2 Gizbits, please.
Wow. just got your autograph, and I got a selfie with you in the park. Don't you remember?
I posed for a gazillion fans. I can't remember them all.
Seems to me that you're in 3 places at once. How can that be?
I'm a very famous pop star, and you thought I wasted my time.
We should follow him and find out what's really going on.
Huh?
What mischief?
There are 3 Sneezys?
No, Pom. There's only one. And I've a feeling he's not any of those 3.
The trolls!
3 trolls pretending to be Sneezy, cheating fans out of their gizbits for selfies and autographs. Outrageous!
This is Alva's family vlog. This week, my dance teacher asked everyone in our class to record a dance routine we made up ourselves. Woo!
And that was the hit Pay to Play by the exciting new pop star Stanky.
Woo! Huh?
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Hi, Uli Bean. What are you up to?
I'm carving a mood blossom. Listen to this. And it sprays water, too.
Ah! Careful of your drawings. Water's not so good for paper.
Relax. It won't spray water until it's placed in the plaza fountain. Mayor Garth wants a new decoration. He's even offered a prize. 5 gizbits. Or was it 500? It would be nice to buy a little treat for my real mood blossom here.
Aww.
Did he say 5,000 gizbits?
We'd be rich.
We could make one of those decorations. Looks easy.
You think so? Huh? What is that made of?
I'll never tell. Besides, it's rude to ask someone about their earwax.
Huh? Let's borrow his instead.
Hi, Ulis. What are you doing?
Hey, Alva. We're fizz-gizzing.
Huh?
I've scanned my database and can't find fizz-gizzing anywhere. Oh, it's the best new thing! This FizzGig app gives you a deed to do, and you have to do it.
Join us, Alva.
I don't really know anything about FizzGiz. Like, if it's safe.
Oh, it's totally okay.
Hi, I'm Mayor Garth, and I approve of FizzGiz.
I guess that's good enough for me.
That's right, FizzGizzers, dance. The more deeds you do, the best as FizzGizzers you'll be.
Wow, that was pretty high in the applausometer.
That was so much fun.
Okay, FizzGizzers, follow the sky screen for the next deed to do. Looks like we have a new FizzGizzer. Welcome.
Thanks. Uli Pom, Uli Bean, aren't you worried about an app run by trolls?
Hello. Standing right here.
Don't worry, Alva. Everything we've been doing is super fun.
And healthy. We'll show you. Okay, FizzGizzers, your deed to do is 3 Uli jumping jacks.
Again, my database has no clue what an Uli jumping jack is.
An Uli jumping jack is where you rub your belly in the middle.
Hurry, FizzGizzers! Do your deed, or you won't get any applause!
That was great applause.
Okay, Fizzgizzers, find 3 healthy things to eat from the food carts. Now we have Alva and those oolies right where we want them.
Eating healthy snacks?
No, you snoodle. Now that they think they're doing healthy deeds, we'll see just how much we can get them to embarrass themselves.
It's truly oolerific. Wow.
I don't like to brag, but it was a bit easy to make.
Mayor Garth, Uli Bean made this.
Ooly Bean? But I thought...
Did Uli Bean put these stickers on then?
He did not place the stickers.
See, they admit it. And it's got my favorite hat on after all.
Humble Bluff, you know that.
That she made it? Yeah, she does.
No, I was going to say that.
It looks lovely. Thank you, Alva. See, Mayor Garth?
No, only Uli Bean could carve something so lovely.
Huh?
Oh. Well, I suppose you should be very proud, Ooly Bean.
Oh no, not that one. The trolls made that.
That's right. We made this.
Well, I suppose you must be the winner.
You made that, Uli Bean. It's not right for someone else to say they did. It's stealing your work. Oh, it's a bit like Nessa thinking I drew a picture when I didn't.
I spent ages making all those carvings. It feels sad in my belly when someone else says they did it.
All those carvings? Uli Bean, we'll make your belly better. Stay here. I'll sort this right out.
I'm sorry. I might not be able to get a treat for you after all.
Did Ooly Bean make all of these?
Yes, this flutterfly even makes music like the mood blossom carving.
Oh.
See? Uli Bean must have made that mood blossom.
Oh, wonderful. That was the most glidey, face-switchy wiggle we've seen all day.
Yay, Pom! Yay, Bravo!
Next up, we have Ooly Bean.
Get out of my way. Huh? Citizens of Gizmo, we've uncovered a shocking video of your Mayor Garth.
Shocking!
After you see it, you'll wonder if Mayor Garth is fit to be mayor, let alone a wiggle wham judge.
Shocking!
Is this some troll trick? Just because Mayor Garth wouldn't name you winners before Wiggle Wham even started.
That's a shocking accusation.
Shocking!
Don't worry, everyone. I was okay.
That deserves to be seen again.
Where did the trolls get this?
All Wiggle Whams are in the Gizmo archives. But that bit there was just me walking to the stage before I performed.
So technically not part of Wiggle Wham.
I'm sorry, Mayor Garth. The Wiggle Wham people should have asked for your permission to use that clip of you slipping.
I agree, Alva.
This must feel terrible.
Hey, we want to introduce our new troll wiggle called the Garth. No!
My turn!
Let me go again.
Oh, dear, Alva. I don't know how we're gonna get these two off the stage.
Mo, I think we need to pay a little visit to the archives. Let's go. Excuse me, could you please tell us where the old Wiggle Whams are? Great! There's so many.
Allow me. Ah, here's the one we're looking for.
Okay. Here's Mayor Garth slipping. And here's Mayor Garth doing his wiggle wham. Oh, this is great. Everyone needs to see this.
I'm copying the video now. Shush!
Oh, well, time to go.
Affirmative, Alva.
Bye! Mayor Garth, I've seen your entire wiggle wham video. Can I show it to the crowd?
Okay. If you think it'll help get these trolls off the stage.
It seems you trolls were only interested in embarrassing Mayor Garth and didn't even look at the whole wiggle wham video.
What are you talking about?
Mo, please play the video.
Yes, please do.
Next up, in his very first wiggle wham, Garth.
Yay, Mayor Garth!
That was very impressive.
I suppose you're going to make yourself the winner now.
Shocking!
Not at all. Here's my vote for this wiggle wham.
And my vote.
Mine as well.
Now, the town crier will announce the results in the morning. Right now, I think we should all just wiggle and wham. And you trolls are welcome to join in. It might give you something useful to do.
And next time you want to show a video of Mayor Garth, ask permission.
We promise. Not now. Isn't everyone supposed to get a prize?
Hoochberry cups will arrive shortly. Right now, everyone get your wiggle on! Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome.
Are you going to stay for the Poochberry cups?
I'm afraid we should be getting back home. Bye, Mayor Garth.
Bye, Alva. Bye, Bo.
Okay, Mo, time to go. I think you look cool, Dad. It's like you're in the wiggle wham.
Thank you, Alva. I don't know what that is, but it sounds like fun.